Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Jessica. I am the blogger behind Miss More Style, and here on YouTube I love to share affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel videos. Maybe some vlogs thrown in every once in a while. So definitely if you love watching that kind of content, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I do upload 2 to 3 times per week. So today I am just doing a short and sweet little unboxing slash review of a affordable handbag company that recently reached out to me. They are called Handbag Resort. I took a look and they have a lot of really beautiful classic bags that are very Hermes inspired. They have a lot of like Birkin inspired bags, some of like the Kelly inspired Hermes bags. So if you are a person who loves designer fashion like I do, but you don't have like that Hermes budget, because girl, whoo, we are a long way off from having an Hermes budget. So I love to find affordable alternatives to those styles that I love. And you really can never go wrong with these style bags. They're very structured. They are very classic. They are just going to be in style really always. You just can never go wrong with these style bags. So let's get into it. I have 2 bags to show you. If you're interested in shopping the bags that I'm going to show you all today, you can go down in the description box. I will have them both linked there, as well as the Handbag Resort's website. And make sure if you do shop, you use my code MORE20. That will give you 20% off your purchase. First one is called the Hiver. I don't know if that's how they meant to pronounce it. I believe it's a French word. I think it means winter. High school French. But this one is so adorable. So let me just get the little packaging off of it, because so just open the clasp like that. Take these 2 little arms off, and then probably would keep the lock. I don't know if I want to deal with the lock all the time, so I might put the lock inside the bag for now. But it comes with a longer crossbody strap. It's pretty roomy on the inside. It's got one little zipper compartment in there, and then it has another kind of small pocket compartment on the opposite side of the bag. This is in sort of a vegan faux suede material, and you can see it's got the really cute shearling that goes around the handle and around the trim. It's got little gold metallic feet on the bottom so that when you sit it on the table, it sits up nicely. I really like this bag. I think it's just such a cute take on that classic Kelly kind of style, but with the shearling, it just gives it like a little bit more like something different, something like really cute for wintertime. I was really kind of looking for something just a little, you know, not like your everyday. All right, awesome. So there is the longer strap attached to it. It's also got a couple little holes there, so you can adjust that buckle to make the strap a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, however you need it to be. But this is just, I mean, I love it. I think it just looks so cute. It's gonna look so cute with like my winter coats when we go to like skiing. I feel like taking this to like a ski town is just adorable, and I think it feels really, really nice. It's got a very nice like soft faux suede. I feel like the hardware looks really good. It doesn't look super cheap, and if you're looking just for something that's very like wintry appropriate, I love this. But of course they have so many bags that are basically the same shape. They have some that are a bit bigger. They have some that are more of the Birkin style, and in so many different colors and finishes. So this is the Hiver. Okay, so this next one is just super adorable. It's a little mini bag, and this is the petite plain style, and I really wanted an orange bag. I just have been wanting one for a while. I feel like I needed like an orange bag, and I need a hot pink bag in my collection, because those are like the 2 colors that I'm always, when I'm putting together outfits, like wishing that I had. And I think orange is having such a moment. It looks so cute when you wear it with like pink and orange are like a favorite color combination of mine. I also love it with like tans and camels. I think it's gonna look really great with like that green color that's really popular right now. So I mean, you can really have some fun with doing color combinations with the color orange. You just have to be open to like experimenting and doing some different things. Don't be afraid of the traffic cone orange, okay guys? So here is the little bag. It's just got this cute little top handle. You can see the little handle right there. It's got kind of like a bit of like a ridge in the middle of it. This is real leather. So in contrasting with the other one, that one was vegan. This one is real leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open. Of course, it's got its own little crossbody strap. There it is. It's got another little strap to go over the excess strap. I love that because sometimes when you get the bags and they have the adjustable strap and it doesn't have that to hold it down, it is the most annoying thing. The little clasps are so teeny tiny and cute. I'm just gonna pop this on. The little crossbody strap is attached. Take out this little bit of stuffing. So this is a pretty small little bag. So I'm just gonna take my phone cover because my phone is sitting right next to me. I use it to record my audio when I do my videos, but the case is the same size as the phone would be. So let's see how it fits in here. Bit of a tight fit. So the phone would be popping up like that. If you did it in vertically, and then if you put it in horizontally, it's a little bit of work, but you can make it work. And these little straps that go around to the front, you can kind of loosen the bag slightly by just pulling them out a bit. And I feel like that will help be able to get your phone in and out a little easier. But yeah, it can fit. That's the important thing. What else you could fit in there is probably your keys, and a very small little wallet and a lipstick, and that's really it. It is a very, very small bag. So perfect if you're going out at night or if you just like to run errands and you don't need a whole lot of stuff on you. It's a great size for that. It's also got its own little interior pocket right inside there, if you can see that. So pretty small little bag. I don't really have any bags this size, so I'm not mad about it. I feel like most of my bags are, you know, around this size or bigger. So it's kind of nice to have something a little bit smaller. Yeah, for going out at night or just for, you know, variation in your outfits. And with orange, I felt like too, it's kind of nice that it's a little bit smaller because it's such a bright color and so in your face that in a smaller package, it's kind of like the right dose of orange, if you see what I'm saying. These are my two little bags. Again, if you want to shop these, you can save 20% by using my code MORE20. I will have the links to these two bags down in the description box so that you can go down there and take a look. All right, well, that concludes this very short, very sweet video. Please comment down below and let me know what you thought about the two bags that I chose. Do you own a real Birkin? Do you not? Do you dream of it? These are just such a great, like, affordable alternative that I feel like it's a reasonable price, especially for the materials that it's made out of. This one being, you know, actual leather. You guys know I love to bring you the bougie, affordable options for you so that you can be chic and stylish but without breaking the bank. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And then before you go, definitely check out these videos. You're definitely going to love them, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!